think it would be really wise if Calgary does keep the mask mandate. And when we're looking at vaccination rates, we're nowhere near what we would call herd immunity. When we look at other jurisdictions, we're seeing increases in the Delta variant.
On Monday, we will find out if the City of Calgary is keeping or dropping the mask mandate. While the province of Alberta had dropped most of its masking requirements 3rd of July, the city says it will make its own decision. The Alberta Hospitality Association say they're already seeing confusion among guests and staff. They want to see the same rules apply everywhere.
Just wants to have it consistent with the rest of the province. At the end of the day, all the restaurants that we've spoken to, they're going to give their staff choices if they would like to continue wearing masks or not. If guests have a beverage in their hands, they technically don't have to have their masks on. There needs to be clarification from the City Council and exact writing of how this is to be enforced and who's going to enforce this.
Businesses say they are confused, so is the public. After more than 1 year of following public health guidelines, there are some Calgarians who are not comfortable with the lifting of restrictions and letting go of the mask all at once.
I want the mask to stay because I think it's way too sudden to just let go of everything. No social distancing, no masks, nothing. I have a 6-year-old and he is still not vaccinated. So am I bringing the germs home? I don't want to be the one who would cause illness to my household or my child.
Some doctors are unhappy with the provincial lifting of the mask mandate. They hope on Monday the City of Calgary considers children who can't yet be vaccinated and the effects of the Delta variant and decide to keep the masks on.
We know the Delta variant is going to become dominant. That was said by our very own government. And we know that cases will begin to rise. They'll begin to spread amongst the unvaccinated, amongst the vaccinated, and amongst the children. We know how to prevent it. And it's such a small inconvenience to mask that it really feels very unreasonable to have lifted that mandate.
Calgary Mayor Naheed stated in June that council would likely trail the provincial decision by a matter of weeks. The hesitance from the council drew the ire of the Alberta Premier, who said council was bending to angry voices on Twitter. In Calgary, Henna Saeed, City News.